rest of our hike. This is Mom and me, and we are hiking through Wissahickon Park, I guess it is. And there's some noisy dogs up on the other path, but we're hopefully on the quieter path with less noisy dogs. So I'm videotaping our hike. And if it was night, this would feel very Blair Witch to me. So beautiful Sunday afternoon. And this is just one of those natural wonders that we have here in the city of Philadelphia. I wonder what is in front of us around the bend. Oh, the excitement.
You're into this now.
Yeah, I'm making a nature video. Look at the big trees, turning colors. So pretty. This is our first time on this particular trail. We'll see how it goes. But the ground is slightly more stable than up there. It was a lot of rocks underneath all the fallen leaves. Hate to come through here after it's rained though, that's for sure. The mud alone would be a mess, but the slippery leaves, ugh. Some of the trees still have some green. Wow, haven't turned completely yet. This is just so cool, isn't it though? It's like we're in the forest of Little Red Riding Hood. And this is my mom fighting off the gnat. And this is me. And I believe I will stop our video journal at the moment so we can concentrate on getting up the hill that's over there. Bye-bye.